Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the update to this file where we are trying to pull the data from all the suppliers and stack on another and taking the name of the file so that we can associate, we can find which from which file we are getting this data in. We can do much more, but I got stuck somewhere. So this was a setup I was building that I can get the all the file IDs and then folder IDs, not the file IDs, and then I'll go through in each file folder and take the name of those folders so that we can take use the folder name. The reason why I'm using the folder name instead of the file name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the file name and the folder name both because the file names are almost RJ Consulting for all of these. So we cannot recognize either is it coming from the Gas South or someone else. I don't know if that is mentioned somewhere here. But I was planning to have the both folder names and the file names in the column so that here file name and the folder name so that we can recognize from which supplier we are getting it. Or we can always have the different tabs accordingly so that we can uh, search which folder is it and then go to that tab and pull the data in. But I encountered some issues which I want to discuss and I want your guidelines so that we can proceed accordingly. So for Tiger, in this is perfect. This is no, there are no issues, and I was successfully pulled the data. But when I go to the Gas South, we can see some vertical headings as well, some consultant data. Maybe if you want to have all of these converted into the raws as well, I don't know, maybe somewhere here like this, and the data should be pasted in here. Again, the importance is the format consistency, and I don't know if you want me to combine all of this data again and duplicate on the all the rows. I don't know. If you want this, please do let me know. Then um, the rows headers are different, so I need to make different automation for different suppliers. Then if we go to the Spark Energy, here you will see we have three different tabs, and sometimes we have a different name tab. I'll show you quickly. So this one is statement one, statement two, and summary. I don't know which one to track. Summary two is mostly the empty ones. Statement one, again, we have some rows at the top as well, and these are not even fixed row of header. Like the on the Gas South, the header were on the row number 10, but here sometime it's on 14, sometime it's on 15. So the header is also moving. Doesn't matter. We can fix that. We can make an adjustment for that. Again, for this, you can see the values are in different columns, different cells, but whereas on the first file, everything is merged together. We can also work on that. So I just need the confirmation if you want to track all of these values as well and which tab to follow, because sometimes statement two is empty. I don't know if you want to track the summary two as well. Then sometimes there is some statement one, but not the statement two. It's past due meters, and sometimes it's past due meters is there, sometimes past due meter is not there, but the statement two is there. So there is an inconsistency in the second tab. Please let me know if you want to track the headers so that I can remove duplicate all of the same data for in front of all of those tabs, sorry, rows, and if we want to track the statement one only or not. And if we go to the AM energy, let me open this. So AM, oh, sorry. AM energy, we don't have any file for the AM energy. I'll go to the next era. For the next era, again, we have three tabs. I don't know which one to track. Um, Residual transactions, portfolio, or I don't know. I don't know if you want to track all of these. I don't know. So please let me know which exact tab to fill out, or maybe two tabs you want to track for any of these suppliers. And if we are going to track multiple tabs, I won't suggest this. All suppliers in one file. I'll suggest different files for different suppliers, maybe with two tabs or three tabs. I don't know how you like to do that, but we need to make different automation for different suppliers. Similarly for this one is energy, which I really like the name of the, but you can see the file name is July 2024 RJ Consulting Statement. So it's not mentioning that from which supplier it is exactly. So we need to track the folder name. Here you can see this is the summary. I don't know which tab to track. Please let me know. Please confirm all of the supplier which tabs to track. and do you want the vertical data or not. So this one is this one is catalyst power, and this seems to have only one tab. Yeah, this one seems to have only one tab. So no need to ask for this which tab to track. So please let me know. Do we need to track all of these headers and duplicate it on the all the rows, and which tab to track so that I can proceed accordingly. Thank you. हाँ भाई